This week we are going to be seeing 3 new Air Jordan 1 drops. We're going to go over the retail prices, drop details, look at some pictures, so make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of the video to hear everything you need to know about these new drops. What's up everybody? As always, I hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. If you are new here, I'm Jordan, a sneaker collector local to the Las Vegas area. Here on the channel we do sneaker unboxing videos, sneaker shopping videos, and informational videos about sneakers. So if you're a sneakerhead like myself and want to stay up to date on everything that's going on in the sneaker world, make sure to drop a sub. We are also on the road to the big 1K subs. We're less than 25 subs away. I'm super excited. But yeah, let's go ahead and start off. So starting off with the Jordan 1 in the Stage Haze colorway. Retail price on these will be $170. Style code is 555088-108. These will be dropping on July 2nd, 2022. Official colors will be white/black/gray fog/bleached coral. Now, these are really interesting. They were supposed to drop a while back, but they got pushed back. I want to share Shanghai Soul's thoughts on these. He said, I changed my mind on these from fire to it's okay daily. I just imagine scuffing the toe box and a piece of leather comes right off like peeling sunburnt skin. With that grayish kind of suede, and then we have that nice black wings logo. We get the black Nike swoosh. We have that really nice white leather. All that looks amazing, but when we get to the toe box, the black leather up here is cracked and it just doesn't look right. No one's going to be up close and personal with your shoes looking at how the leather is when you're wearing them, but just looking at these, they kind of look weird. I definitely like this colorway. It is a very neutral colorway. It will go with a lot of outfits. So personally, I'm going to try to cop these. These come laced up with black laces, and retail is going to be $170. I definitely think they're clean, and I wouldn't mind adding these to the collection. Let's go ahead and look at the next Air Jordan 1. So the next Air Jordan 1 will be the Jordan 1 Low Bleached Coral. These will also be dropping on July 2nd, 2022. Retail price on these will be $130, and then the style code is CZ0790-061. Official colors on these are black/bleached coral/white. Overall, I'm feeling these. I really like the style. We do have the cracked leather around the toe box, but I really don't mind that too much. It's really giving off these great summer vibes, which I really like. We do get some extra pink laces. We are going to receive just the 1985 Air Jordan 1 box, so really cool. Overall, these are going to definitely be a cop. Lows have been hitting. It is summer, so yeah, I'm going to say these are a definite cop for me. I really like how they look. And the last Air Jordan release we have for this week is the Air Jordan 1 Low Mystic Navy. The colors are going to be black/mystic navy-white. Style code is CZ0790-041. Release date on these will be June 30th, 2022, and retail price will be $130. A lot of people were comparing these to the Royals. They really do look similar. I like how the leather looks. It looks like it will be pretty soft. Again, it is summer, and the lows really do get popular during summer. Personally, I think these are cool. I think all the Air Jordan 1 drops of the week are going to be really cool. I don't think they're going to sell out like that, but eventually they will sell out. They are an Air Jordan 1. We will probably see some restocks on the Stage Hazes. I don't know about the Mystic Navies and the Bleached Corals, but overall I am definitely liking the look for all of these sneakers. Blue, black, it goes with a lot of colors, just like the Stage Hazes. If I had to pick one to cop, I would probably go with the Stage Hazes. I think they look really good on feet, and because you can match them with so many outfits. Let me know which Air Jordan 1s you will be picking up this week. If you go for any, I hope you are able to cop. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like I said, we're on the road to 1,000 subs, so make sure to drop a sub. We're like less than 25 subs away. But yeah, thank you guys so much for spending your time here today. As always, I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Until next time, peace. As always, let me shoes you will be guy. And personally, personally I really pop, and the lows see how, again, all release date will be June 30th. Rise for the most part. Now I don't see these